quick mirrored form edit tutorial. First, make sure your mesh is symmetrical. And add keyforms to the parameter you want to mirror. I'm doing mouth form. Then I will make a new parameter. I call mine temp. Set it with a minimum of -1, default of 0, and maximum of 1. Add 3 keyforms to the new parameter, and slide it all the way to one side. Now we're going to form half of this mouth. I'm going to start with a frown. Now we're going to select all the points on the finished half of the mouth. And we will copy it with Ctrl-Shift-C. Keep this half selected, and we're going to reverse the motion on this temporary parameter. If we slide it all the way to that other side, and Ctrl-Shift-V, paste, get a symmetrical face. Select all of that, Ctrl-Shift-C, set the temporary parameter to default, and remove the keyforms from it. Let's go back to the original parameter, slide to where we want to set this, my frown, Ctrl-Shift-V, and there you go, symmetrical edit.